Hello my friends, I am going to show you how to run my Trait Predictor on Android using Termux. So Trait Predictor is my application that allows you to generate DNA reports for microarray sequence files in 23andMe, Ancestry, or MyHeritage raw DNA format. And I actually recently made a version for Trait Predictor for Android. So first thing we need to enter is Termux setup storage. This way we will be able to navigate to our directory where we saved the file, which is the downloads directory. When you download files on your Android machine, it will go in the downloads directory. So now we will navigate to storage. Now we will navigate to the downloads folder. Now that we are in the downloads folder, we want to copy the file, which is v15 Android, and we need to make sure that we put this file into the proper folder to run the file, and the folder is going to be this folder storage. This is the proper folder where we need to run the file from. If you put it in any other directory, we will not be able to run the application. And now we need to also copy the DNA file from the downloads folder into the storage directory. Forgot to put CP in the beginning. Alright, copy my heritage raw DNA data.csv. Okay, and we're gonna put this into storage directory. Okay, now we're going to navigate to the storage directory. Storage, and here we are going to set execute permissions for the TP file, for the executable file, TP v15 Android file. And now we are going to execute the TP v15 Android file. And there we go. It prompts us to enter the file name. We have officially successfully executed my Trait Predictor on Android. So we're going to enter my heritage raw DNA data.csv, and there you go. It's gonna execute now, and it's gonna process our file. So wait a couple minutes for it to process. On Android, it is going to process longer than on a computer, because Androids are slower a little bit. Do not close Termux while this is going on. So while this process is happening, you cannot close your Termux. Alright, so as you can see, the execution is done for my file. I'm gonna enter some random stuff so that the other two files, because it looks for 3 files, so we're gonna have to enter 2 random stuff. After that, it closes the program and we end up in the storage folder, and now we can actually open the result. We can type ls to double check that the result HTML file is in the folder, and we see that it is indeed in the folder. My heritage raw DNA data.csv.html is in the folder. Now we will not be able to just open it, but we can open it with a command called actually xdg open, I believe. xdg-open is the command we need to enter to open the resulting file. My heritage raw DNA data.csv.html. That is how you open your resulting file that ends up in the folder. And after we enter that in, we end up having this open with Chrome. So we just enter always, and we end up seeing our result opening up with Google Chrome. So this is the resulting file, and we can see all our results here on Android. So this is the entirety of the result. There's, I think all of the buttons should be working as well. So there you go. This is the Nashakot button, and this is my result. So you can see all my phenotype predictions. Let's look at the phenotype oracle. Hold on. So here's my closest phenotypes. And let's look at ethnic calculator results. Here's my ethnicity calculator. I am Russian, and Russians are the second closest ethnicity to me with my own ethnicity calculator. So this is kind of, everything is here. There's the polygenic risk score. So all the buttons are gonna work. And this is how you use my Trait Predictor for Android on Android phones. So if you found this video useful, please leave a like and subscribe. If you bought Trait Predictor and you are using a system other than Windows or Linux, maybe you might be able to run it on Android. It might be useful for you. So there you go. This is how you run my Trait Predictor on Android.